Online reviews are a great way to get more business. They help customers learn about your products and services and can even increase your sales. With so many people using online reviews to make decisions, it's important for businesses to understand how they work and how to use them effectively. In this video, we'll discuss why online reviews are essential for businesses, the impact they have on customer trust and loyalty, and some simple steps you can take to get more online reviews. First, let's talk about why online reviews are so important for businesses. Studies show that nearly 9 out of 10 consumers consider an online review just as important as a personal recommendation when making a purchase decision. Positive reviews can also help boost your website's EAT score with search engines like Google. Next, let's look at the impact of online reviews on customer trust and loyalty. Customers who read positive reviews are likely to spend 31% more on a business than those who don't read any reviews at all. Reviews can also help establish trust between customers and businesses by providing honest feedback from real customers who have experienced the product or service firsthand. Finally, here are some simple steps you can take to get more online reviews. Have a system in place to ask customers directly for their feedback after they purchase something from you. Make sure your products or services meet customer expectations. Have a system in place to respond quickly to negative and positive feedback. Never offer incentives such as discounts or free gifts in exchange for honest feedback, and have a system in place to monitor review sites regularly, so you know what people are saying about your brand. By following these steps, you can start getting more positive online reviews that will help build trust with customers and increase sales for your business. Call SEO727.com today to see how their systems can automate the review process for your business, saving you time and making you more money. Call today. 727-203-1543.